Hello and welcome to the follow-up on my computer build. As you can see here, it's up and running. But as you also can see, this is not Windows. It's Ubuntu. I had to install Ubuntu to get the Samsung Evo to fire up. Because if you remember my first video where we built the computer. Right in the end we had problems to install Windows, and the problems escalated. So we started to look at forum threads and YouTube, and we started to look for information and stuff, and there seems to be a problem installing Windows on the Samsung Evo M.2 hard drive. So yes, we had a lot of problem and I was ready to give up. We were talking about getting a second drive here to install Windows, to boot it up, and then have my programs and storage on the M2. But that is kind of counterintuitive to what I wanted with my build. I wanted to have a super fast operative system right next to the programs that I was using the most. And that is the GIMP, like Photoshop, and then the editing program. And then another friend, not Robin, that have helped me build the computer, another friend said, well, give the computer to me and I see what I can do. Well, of course I had nothing to lose, so I packed down the computer and drove it to him. The next day he phoned me up and said, hey, your computer is running, Eric, and it's super fast. So I was wondering, what did you do? And he installed Ubuntu, and I had no idea what Ubuntu was. No idea. But now I know. And I can tell you, I recommend it. From now on it's Ubuntu and Windows out the windows. Anyway, because it's clean. It's very clean on the computer. It's fast. It's got everything I wanted. Well, I give you that, okay. Maybe you can find every app and every program as fast as you want. You have to do some research, and maybe everything is out there. I had to look quite hard to get the hang of benchmark test, but there is one out there, so there's no problem. I'm very happy with Ubuntu. It seems very secure and super fast. I'll show you here. Look here. This is my editing program. This is Shoutout. Boom! It's right there. And here is GIMP. It's like Photoshop. Boom! It's just right there. So I'm super happy. Super happy with the RYZEN 3600 and my motherboard and everything. But you know, from now on, no more Windows at my place. And I have to tell you also, I'm very disappointed at Samsung, because I tried contacting them 2 times, but there is no reply. And I tried contacting Microsoft in Sweden 2 times, no reply. So they just don't want to help. They don't care about what we're doing. But anyway, things worked out really well. And yeah, I'm going to put a cliffhanger out there. The friend that helped me with Ubuntu, he's maybe doing a computer build. Okay, in that case, see you there and bye.